in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to switch to light mode on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select personalization on the left panel, and then on the right side, go down underneath where it says colors. Select that. And where it says choose your mode, click the drop down and select light, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.